Good morning, plumbers of the world. Happy Monday. What's so funny? Are you happy?
Well, when you put this video out, it won't be Monday.
Yeah, well, they know what it is. They know what's going on. We're not live on Scene Plumbing yet. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. All while teaching my son, the apprentice, and his brother, the plumbing trade. Join this journey. It's going to be a long one. Because we all know it's well worth it. You can make a good dollar plumbing. Right, CB?
Right, CB.
And we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. So stay tuned. For this next adventure, we're going to winterize the Wonder Bar's outside bar. Stay tuned and we'll see you when we get there. Yeah, plug in that compressor. Hold on, the plumber. Hold on one second. Come on in. Here, come on in, guys. Here. Russ! Here, call this dude right here. He might be able to help you.
Did you what? Okay. Here, you can use my phone, call your number. Usually if they find it, they keep it right back here.
Pair of pliers. And what we're going to do is this. Oh, I need my light. We'll do one at a time, okay? We'll do the hot and then the cold.
We do it first.
What's that?
We do it first.
I'm not sure. I gotta go up here and see what's happening. Hot. Let it happen. See what's there. All right. Pliers, please. Come here. I'm gonna do the.
You'll bleed it?
I'm gonna do the hot first. You're gonna do the cold. All right.
Well, then when we go out there and stuff.
Yeah. Because I want to show you what I'm doing here. This is where you gotta start doing this stuff. So look. This is all you and Angelo want. Alright? So what I did was this. Come up here and look. I shut the you shut the water off. Okay. Shut the hot off. It goes this way. Okay? The cold is over here. Hard to see. That also goes out there. You reach up here. Shut them both off. Then we'll go outside and open up the bed, but we'll go up the hot. So open up the top and cold. And then you can go and do this side. Alright?
Should I open them both up right now?
Open them both up and I'll do the hot. That's a good one. We just had someone stop in the bar. When I was 10. He lost his car and his cell phone. Chucky, was he a member of the frat? So I got these set up so we can drain. Quick power, quick blowout here. He loves the ball. Alright, now we're going to do the cold. CB is going to switch it up in there. And I'm going to need my light. If I recall, something broke here last year that wasn't open, so I'm going to make sure it's open this year. I think. CB, you know what bar this is?
Yeah.
You ever been here?
A few times.
No CB. No bars. CB. Plumbing extraordinaire to be. Bring her home, CB. Bring her home. Come on, CB. Bring her home. You gotta open the boiler drain, CB. Alright, CB has boiler drains open, and his famous line was, that would help. There we go. CB! There we go, Daddy. There it is. The money stop. One more time. One more. Let it build some pressure. We'll get out of here. What is this here? One more water connection on this compressor. Where's this go? That's really gnarly back there. So here's what I'm gonna do. That's on, and that's on too. Alright, we got her. We got her. Yeah, everything. No, I'll hook it up there and then pack everything up. Alright, and I'll antifreeze up outside. CB. Did you learn anything?
Learn how to make vodka martini.
No, CB. You learned to open the boiler drain to let the air out.
I did that.
Like I said, long journey. What'd you just say? No, they want.
Get her done.
He said get her done. Now, he didn't say that, but guess what? We got her done. See you at the next one.